One thing I noticed on Blackboard is that there's no HTML templates. So in order to make my page more accessible for my students with disabilities, I actually had to search through the page. I first went down to packages and utilities, thinking maybe that would bring me something. But as I looked through it, I saw no tabs, so then I decided to go to customization. And in customization, I saw properties, but as I went through it, I seen nothing to change the course itself. Um, so then I went to teaching styles. And while in teaching styles, I did notice that I could change the course structure. So maybe this was it. There's different activities I could do. There's a different focus on communication as well as the content and even the system. I also went down and there's an entry point. I could make it accessible from any entry point I would like. Um, any type of content that's on my page. So I would prefer just to do the home page, and then I would come down and I look, and here are my different course themes. And within my course themes, as you can see, there's many different colors, many different styles. So in my many different styles here, I would just choose one that I would like, one that is accessible for my students. Um, Also here, my menu style. I could set it up in any style that I would like it. I could just do text. I could even change the color of my text if I'd like, or I could even change them into buttons. And in my buttons, you see I go click on the plus, and I have many different colors of buttons that I could use. So that's another way to make it accessible for my students with disabilities. Um, I can change my content view. I can just make it icon only, or I can do text only, or I can do text and icon. And I can choose here to apply it to all the content that I have. And I can even change the banner if I'd like. But as far as a template for Blackboard, there's not one that I know of. I could be wrong, but just from me exploring, this is what I found. Once I was finished, I'd hit submit, and my entire page would be changed. So just as an example, I would go up. Um, Let me see. Let me change my theme. Let's go with a lighter theme. Take this blue one here. And also go with my buttons. Change it to a button, just to give you an example of what it may look like. Um, we'll go with this shade of blue, so that now all of my buttons are blue. I want an icon and text, and I'm going to hit submit. And as you can see, my things have changed. The color and all has changed, and it is more accessible for students. But that's the way I've seen to change my course so that it's accessible for my students.